In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a digital card from your Wise account. Whether you're tidying up or you just don't need that particular card anymore, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. To begin, you'll want to log into your Wise account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. It's always a good practice to ensure that your login credentials are secure and up to date. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the section dedicated to your cards. You can find this by looking for the option labeled Card on your Wise dashboard or menu. Click on it to open the next page. Now that you're in the card section, you'll see a list of your digital cards. Take a moment to locate the digital card you wish to delete. It's important that you select the correct one, so double-check the card details if necessary. You don't want to accidentally delete the wrong card, especially if it's one you're still using or plan to use in the future. When you've identified the card ready for deletion, click on the option to delete it. At this point, Wise will prompt you with another message, just to confirm that you're absolutely certain about deleting this card. This extra step is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, ensuring that you truly want to proceed. If you're sure, go ahead and click Delete once more. And that's it. Your digital card will now be deleted from your Wise account. This process ensures that you keep your account tidy and relevant to your current needs. It's a simple technique that enhances your control over your financial tools, allowing them to remain organized and efficient. Remember, should you need this card again in the future, you'll have to create a new one. Thanks for following along with this guide. Now you can confidently manage your digital cards within Wise with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and insights on managing your online financial tools.